Mikey.
Hello, I have my very, very, very good friend here to help me learn how to do a 1 foot spin because look at that. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, here you have it. No. So today, Autumn is going to help me learn how to do a 1 foot spin. It is day 2 of practicing and we're gonna nail it today with the help of a friend.
Yay! Okay.
All right, Autyy, what tips do you have for me today?
Okay, well, first I usually always carve into it like a wide carve like this, and then I bring my feet closer together.
Oh, it's just so good. No,
and
seriously.
So that felt like my foot was like too high up.
Ooh, okay.
You really want it to be tight like this. Okay. I learned that from my figure skater cousin.
Okay.
So tight.
Oh my God, and the skirt is like giving. It's
giving. And arms. So carve and then, whew. And then there I was too much on my toes and that's why I just almost fell forward. So keep, and your whole body, upper body needs to be straight. And look up, not down.
I know, I always look down.
You don't need to look down because you already know there's no pebbles here.
I know. That's every skater mistake that every skater makes is looking down at their feet. You're not going that way, baby. All right.
Yep.
So you said carve out.
Carve into it.
Bring it tight.
Yes. And I think what it felt like I was doing right now, it seems like I was like kind of scooping the out and then bringing it. It feels like I'm kind of bringing it up and then bringing it in right, like I'm not just tacking it immediately. I'm kind of kicking it out.
You are on your toes though, and it looks
for that
so
one.
Good.
But if I want to keep it moving, I think I shouldn't be.
Really?
Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not the master. I can do 3 rotations.
I'm trying to get 2. I just want 2. Just please. Okay. There's nothing
so try
to
kicking
it.
You're not kicking, but like putting it out and then putting it in.
Whoa! I think you naturally. I think you naturally do just end up going on your toes temporarily.
Yeah, and then you just kind of have to find.
Yeah.
But you go on your toes. Ooh!
Whoa, okay.
And then right there, it looked like you were kind of like carving out a little bit, like you're on your edges too much.
Okay. Where should it be? Should it all be neutral?
Let's see.
I don't know. Let me look at your upper body too.
I'm about to get dizzy.
You're like up and tight, up and tight, up and tight.
Up and tight. And see, this is like a pump. When I'm losing my mobility, I'm like putting my heel down and picking it back up.
You know, that might be a good drill.
Yeah.
Whoa. That was 1.5? No, it probably was just 1.
Ooh, that was good.
Boy.
That was good.
All right, baby. Okay, we just gotta work on the coming back in. You know, I've also seen people do like, so they go and stop like, with their heel out. Which
I like
helps
that.
you like instead of like flaring out. But I need to keep it.
Okay, I'm already hot.
I know.
Scarf's coming off. And goodbye arm warmers. I was freezing 2 seconds ago. Ooh, that was good. That was really good.
Oh yeah, girl. Whoa.
Ooh, that was good. That was good because you kept upright the whole time.
Okay.
You've been landing them like
out
a little bit, yeah.
I need to like tighten my core. I don't really
Yeah, maybe engage it.
Yeah.
Squeeze your abs.
I got baby core.
When you're doing that. We all got a little bit
I've been
of
doing my ab exercises.
Yes.
Woo. All right. Woo.
Ooh.
Why do I keep like, I don't know.
Yeah, I see that. You are going.
I don't know what that's about.
What if you keep your arms out straight?
Scared. This woman's a genius. Someone give her a medal. And it helps like control it too, so I'm not like trying to, oh, okay.
Nice. Okay. Nice.
Now just to do 2 of those.
Uh-huh.
Wait, I noticed too that I'm not bringing it in as close.
Oh yeah, the best ones I've done are like skate touching. A lot of times when I do it, like I'll watch videos of me doing it and I literally look like this and I'm like, what the hell is even that? You know, it has to be
Close.
Yes.
Also, I see you doing this thing. You kind of like hook in. So like you go like this. Like you kind of pull it in, you know, like you're like doing a push-up and then you like.
Yeah.
So maybe that builds
Yeah,
inertia.
so I'm doing the pump and then this goes out and then I bring it in.
See, like that. All right, how do I do it?
Yeah, try bringing it out. Oh, like maybe twirl, like crossing like this. Maybe this will help with the momentum. Just kick it out and then bring it in. Ow! Ouch!
Okay, so you out, pull it in. Oh, I'm scared. That's scary.
But then it has to be closer. Out. Woo! And then maybe, yes!
This is awesome. Oh my God.
Ooh! Ooh!
What was that?
I think that was two. I think that was two because you ended up facing the camera.
I don't trust it. I have to watch. I have to watch.
Did
Did I just do that?
that?
I got excited. I'm gonna keep practicing. And yeah. Drill it till you kill it. Drill it till you kill it. Hey,
Drill it till you kill it. Hey. That's two.
Is it?
Because I counted your face twice. Maybe you're trying to do three.
Am I?
Yeah. One, two.
Wait.
See, that's two. You've been doing two this whole time.
That's a lie.
It's not.
What the hell?
What I do with regular spins, I also carve out and my arms are out. And then I bring my arms in.
Look at that. Wait, you pump into it, really?
I usually go forward. Like I'll go forward and then.
So beautiful.
I don't like doing
She's
it
all
from
like,
standing
I don't
still.
really jump skate, but like literally everything I'm trying to learn how to do, she knows how to do. If you don't know, this woman is actually an amazing park skater, street skater, like just gnarly as hell. And if you are interested, please give my girl a follow and check her out because she is so badass.
Yay!
Badass.
Thank
And
you.
let's see.
Drill till we krill.
Drill till we krill it.
Drill till we trill. Woo!
Okay.
Yes.
Where was I going?
Oh.
Pull it up, bring it in.
Yes.
Pull it up, bring it in. Stop leaning backwards, look up. I do be looking down, huh?
Yeah.
Scared.
Was good. Yeah, I think you're almost kind of doing like a dip. Not a dip, but like, you know, your foot isn't like going in this, staying in the same spot. Yeah, that was good.
I need to focus on that foot staying. Because I do feel myself going out like.
Yeah, you're carving out. Yeah, doing a C, that's what it is.
Let me get a close-up of your feet.
Okay.
For research purposes. Wow, the lighting actually looks way better this way.
Oh yeah, we get set up by the water.
Yeah.
Let's see. No, that wasn't good. Wasn't good.
Oh
See,
my
that was
God.
two. Oh, that was good.
I'm way out. I feel it. Keep it close. Oh, wait. Where's the mic? Oh. Okay, here we go. Whoopsies. I love that quote. Hello. We got distracted. Sometimes you just want to skate. But Autumn, how do you think I did? You think we improved a little bit?
Amazing. She can do 2 rotations. Now working on 3.
Yeah, we're gonna work on 3. She said this whole time that I've been doing 2 rotations. I didn't feel like I was, but apparently I was. So I'm gonna practice a little bit more. But yeah.
Closer than you thought.
I think we're closer. We're closer than ever.
Yep. Day 3 will be 3
Skating
rotations.
is better with friends.
Yay.
Let's do like a couple more practices and close this day out on a positive note because look at that.
Pretty.
Yeah, look at that. Look, this is beautiful. The only way to really improve is to get in the reps.
Nobody knows how to do that shit at first.
And just like skating, like you gotta do the reps. You gotta do it over and over, over and over. You fail 100 times and you succeed once, and then you can keep doing it again and again. Woohoo! All right, bitch. Stop hesitating. Stop procrastinating.
Spotlight. Look at that. That was 2.
Woo!
Oh, that was good.
That felt crazy. That was a little bit more of a rotation.
Yeah.
I felt it. What was that? 2?
That was
a 2.
But like
That was a good 2.
following.
What you told me earlier.
Yeah, tight circles.
I always get scared. Like every single time I go into it, I get scared. You know what? I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Because I feel that my feet are trying to keep it closer. Whoa.
That was much better.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
That's the like closest I've ever been.
That was more than 2.
Was that?
was
That
more
felt.
than 2.
I'm like spitting. Dude, I have to see. Did I just do it on like day 2? With a little help from my friends. She's like coaching me and it's very helpful. You could do this. Look up, keep it tight, keep it right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. It's been like 5 hours. You know what? I'm so freaking happy with that, and I can keep working on that.
Yes.
Guys, I think I fucking got this.
Wow. Celebratory spin.
Okay, Autyy, I think we did that goddamn thing.
Yeah.
You're an amazing teacher. She will be on the channel soon and teaching us. What are you gonna teach us?
360s.
You know, I want to learn 360. So the next time you see my good friend Autumn, she's gonna help me learn how to do the 360.
Yes.
Woo-hoo! And she's gonna teach you guys too. And it's gonna be so much fun. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you tune in for next week's video. Actually, it's only day 2. I've done this in only day 2, thanks to this beautiful woman.
Yay.
So I can't wait for her to come back on the channel and help us learn how to do a 360. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I'll see you all on day 3.
Bye.